The next shabda here is Rajan. Halanta pullinga nakaranta shabda Rajan. Now this Rajan is very important. If you know the model of Rajan, you can apply it for every other like these most of the nakaranta shabdas. Okay, now we'll see how it goes. Raja, Rajanau, Rajanah, Rajanam, Rajanau, Rajnyah, Rajnyah. Okay? Rajnya, Rajabhyam, Rajabhihi. Rajnye, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyah. Rajnyah, Rajabhyam, Rajabhyah. Rajnyah, Rajnyoh, Rajnyam. Rajni, Rajnyoh, Rajasu. Rajan, Rajanau, Rajanah. Okay, now you see this Rajan is actually a little different. Now there are two things that are happening. First of all, the Rajan in the Astha, that is this family, is changing to An, Rajan. Okay, Rajan is changing to Rajan. Okay, be careful there. So Rajan, and then the whenever you get a na here, okay, now you must have got here Rajan just as Rajan, because there is no other suffix here, because the sa will elide, it will disappear, so there is no other suffix here, so you should end with Rajan. Yes, you see here, you should have end with Rajan. But when there is a word which ends with na in the anga, it says that you have to just delete the n. Okay, for example, Maghavan, it should have ended with Maghavan in these cases. Mahiman, Yuvan, Sharman, Atman. But it says in this model you have to delete the extra na only in 1.1, so it becomes Raja. And then now the others just go as it is, Rajan, and with the suffixes. But from the other cases, let's just call them Nirasthana. Okay, so this is not a technical word. Just for our convenience, we just call the first five as Astha and then the rest as Niras. In the Niras Sthana, what do you get? In the Niras, what do you get? You change the Ja to Jnya, Jnya, the Jnya, okay, and the na disappears. Rajnya, aha, Rajnya. The actual way that they say that it happens is the akara will go, so the ja will combine with na, the shtuto sandhi happens, and it becomes Rajnya. All of it is just confusing. Just say the Rajan changes to Rajnya in wherever the Swaradi pratyas in the Nirash happens. In the Niras happens. So what are the Swaradis? Go back to the table. See, these are the Swaradis, right? In all these places, these yellow, the orange ones, you will get Rajnya, Rajnya. In the other places, you get just Raja, Raja, okay? The na also again disappears. It just becomes Rajabhyam, Rajabhihi. It is not Rajnyabhyam. Be careful. It is Raja, Rajabhyam, Rajabhihi. Similarly in here, Rajasu, Rajasu. Why is it not Shu? Because there is a or a in the upadha, right? You have a or a in the upadha. It is just su itself. So Rajasu. Then in the Sambodhana, which is important, here you have Rajan. Hey Rajan. You're calling out to the king. O king. So it is Rajan. Okay? Rajan as it is. Then copy the 1.2, 1.3 into 8.2 and 8.3. Try it out for Atman and Sharma. But here in Atma, it doesn't change to Nya. Okay? Of course. If we just keep Atman as it is. So Atma, Atman, au Atman, 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 au Atmanaha, Atmanaha. Just Atman and that's it. Atmana, Atmabhyam, Atmabhyam. No, the na is not here. Atmabhyam, Atmabhihi. Atmane, Atmabhyam, Atmabhyah, Atmanah, Atmabhyam, Atmabhyah, Atmanah, Atmanoh, Atmanam, Atmani, Atmanoh, Atmasu. He Atman, He Atmanau, He Atmanah. The Mahiman actually follows Rajan in that the in the Upadha will disappear. It becomes Mahimna. You would have heard of the Pushpadantas Shiva Mahimna Stotram, right? How does it come? Mahima, Mahimanau, Mahimanah. Now, some people have the name Mahima in the Strilinga, but be careful, it is in the Pullinga, at least in Sanskritam. Mahima, Mahiman, Au, Mahiman, Aha, Mahiman, Mahiman, Au, Mahim, Naha. Okay? Mahim, Naha. A will go away. So, Ma will combine with Na. It becomes Mahim, Naha. Mahimna, Mahimabhyam, Mahimabhihi, Mahimne, Mahimabhyam, Mahimabhyah, Mahimnah, Mahimabhyam, Mahimabhyah, Mahimnah, Mahimnoh, Mahimnam, Mahimni, Mahimnoh, Mahimasu, Mahimasu, He Mahiman, He Mahimano, He Mahimanah. The Yuvan Shabda, although that is also Nakaranta, the va actually undergoes a special modification called samprasarana, and now that changes very drastically. You can refer to the ashtadhyayi.com. In that you can go to the Shabda Rupani. You will find it exactly, but for now I'm just going to say that, and I'm just going to say how it happens. Yuva, Yuvano, Yuvanha, as usual, Yuvanam, Yuvano, and in the nearest sthana, what happens is the va changes to u. Okay, the va changes to u, and this u in the u combines with u to form u, Savarna Dirgha, as usual. So it becomes yunaha, yuna, yuvabhyam, yuvabhihi, yune, yuvabhyam, yuvabhyah, yunaha, yuvabhyam, yuvabhyah, yunaha, yunoh, yunan, yuni, yunoho, yuvasu. Okay, why is that va coming here? Because it is a haladi. Subhyam, all of these are haladi. They follow one structure. So it becomes yuni, yunoho, yuvasu. And then as Rajan, he yuvan, he yuvano, he yuvana. Yuvan means youth, the youngster. Juvenile, yuvana, yovana, all of that comes from yuvan. Dhanyavadaha.